What's the one thing standing between your Shopify store and $1 million in sales? It's not more traffic or better products. The secret lies in a framework so powerful, it's transforming businesses across the board. This framework has helped new store owners double their conversions after relaunch and achieve 20 to 50% higher conversions for 7 to 8 figure stores. It's not just about numbers, it's about creating meaningful changes in your business. Curious about how it works? Let's dive into a few parts of the baseline framework and see how it can transform your store. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. Imagine you're a Shopify store owner pouring your heart and soul into your business. You've got great products and you're running ads, but for some reason the sales just aren't coming in. It's frustrating, right? I've been there and I've seen countless store owners face this exact dilemma. Let me tell you about a store owner I met. Her traffic was decent, but the conversions were abysmal. She's tried everything, tweaking product descriptions, running aggressive ad campaigns, even slashing prices. Nothing moved the needle. The emotional toll was heavy. She felt lost in a sea of e-commerce complexities. Many Shopify store owners find themselves in the same rut, watching their conversion rates hover well below the industry average of 1 to 3%. It's like standing on the edge of a cliff, watching your dreams of success crumble. But here's what I learned. The real problem often isn't about your products or traffic. It's about how your store communicates with customers. Picture your store through a customer's eyes. When they land on your site, is it immediately clear what you're offering? Does your store tell a compelling story that resonates with them? Or is it just confusing? Many store owners focus on the wrong things. They obsess over product quality and advertising, which are important, but they often overlook core issues like user experience and site navigation. Imagine a potential customer excited to see what you're selling. They click through only to be met with a cluttered layout and confusing navigation. They bounce and you've just lost a sale. This isn't speculation. A survey revealed that poor website design and navigation were among the top reasons for high bounce rates. It's a clear sign that many store owners aren't effectively communicating their value propositions. If you want to succeed, you need a framework that addresses these core issues head-on. You need a way to structure your store that speaks directly to your customers' needs and desires. That's where the baseline framework comes in. The baseline framework is a comprehensive approach to store design that's helped countless Shopify store owners double or even triple their conversion rates. It focuses on aligning your store design with customer expectations, creating a seamless user experience that turns browsers into buyers. Implementing this framework isn't easy. It requires a hard look at your store and potentially significant changes. You might need to overhaul your site structure, rethink your brand messaging, or redesign key elements. But that's where community support comes in. Having a network of fellow store owners and experts can make all the difference. Remember, success in e-commerce isn't just about having great product, it's about creating an experience that resonates with your customers, guiding them effortlessly from the first click to their final purchase. With the right framework and support, you can transform your store from a source of frustration into a thriving business. The header, your store's first impression. Your header is your store's virtual handshake, and it packs a punch. One store I worked with saw a 21% conversion boost just by optimizing their header. That's real growth, not just a number. So, what's your header really saying to your customers? Your header is the first thing that potential customers see when they land on your store. Imagine losing a customer in the first 3 seconds. That's what a bad header does. It's like walking into a messy store with no clear signage. You'd probably turn around and leave, right? Most headers out there are a confusing mess. It's like trying to find your way through a maze blindfolded. But it doesn't have to be this way. The baseline framework tackled this head-on with a data-driven approach to header design. So what makes a header effective? Let's break it down. First up, clear navigation. Your menu should prioritize essential pages like shop, reviews, FAQ, and about us. It's like giving your customers a roadmap to explore your store. Think of it as a well-lit exit sign in a crowded theater. It guides people where they need to go. Next, social proof and benefits. These should be right under the menu, visible on every page load. It's like having your best customer testimonials on display at all times. Then there's guarantee messaging. This builds trust with potential customers. Imagine walking into a store and immediately seeing a sign that says 100% satisfaction guarantee or your money back. Wouldn't that make you feel more comfortable about buying? Visibility of support option is another key element. Having a phone number and a live chat option in your header can improve customer experience. It's like having a friendly sales assistant always ready to help. Now you might be thinking, does all this really make a difference? Remember that 21% conversion boost I mentioned? That's not small change. It shows the significant impact that header design can have on your sales. Implementing proven conversion rate optimization or CRO elements in your header is essential for maximizing conversions and improving overall store performance. It's about strategic design that guides, reassures, and motivates your visitors instantly. Picture this: a potential customer lands on your site. Within seconds, they see a clear menu, glowing star rating of your reviews, your money-back guarantee, and easy contact options. All of this just from your header. That's the power of the first impression in e-commerce. Your header needs to be your store's best salesperson, working 24/7 to convert visitors into customers. With the right header structure, you can boost conversions by up to 25%, and that's not just a number, that's real growth for your business. It's not just about making things look pretty. It's about creating a header that serves as your store's storefront smile, welcoming customers and guiding them through their shopping journey. So, take a good look at your header. Is it doing all it can to turn those visitors into loyal customers? Product pages where the magic happens. All right, let's talk about where the real magic happens in your store, your product pages. You know, it's funny how we often obsess over the big picture but forget about the details that actually close the deal. Your product pages are like the closers on the baseball team. They're the ones who seal the victory when it matters the most. Think about it. How many times have you been browsing online, ready to buy something, and then you hit the product page and suddenly you're not so sure anymore? It happens all the time, and it's costing store owners serious money. The thing is, most product pages don't really answer the questions customers have. It's like going to a car dealership and the salesperson just hands you a technical manual instead of actually showing you the car. Not exactly inspiring, right? Creating a great product page is about understanding the psychology of your customers and giving them an experience that makes buying from you feel natural. That's where the baseline framework comes in. It focuses on what really matters: clear benefits, social proof, and strategic use of visuals and copy that guide customers smoothly towards the Add Cart button. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. What questions are running through their mind? Your page should be answering those questions before they even have a chance to ask them. The baseline framework emphasizes benefit-driven headlines. Instead of just listing features, you're telling customers exactly how your product will make their life better. It's the difference between saying, "Our mattress has memory foam," and "Wake up refreshed and pain-free every morning." Trust signals are crucial too. Customer reviews, testimonials, guarantees, these all show customers you've got their back. Clear pricing and compelling call to actions are vital. Your pricing should be upfront, and your CTA should be like a friendly guide saying, "This way to solve your problem." High quality images are absolutely crucial. They're not just there to look pretty, they're building trust and engaging your customers. Showing your product from multiple angles or in news can really help your customers feel like they know what they're getting. A little trick that can make a big difference: try a sticky call to action button that follows the customers as they scroll. It's a gentle reminder that's always there when they're ready to buy. If you want to take things to the next level, A/B testing is your best friend. Small changes can lead to big improvements in conversion rates. The only way to know for sure is to test and let the data guide you. Imagine turning those just browsing visitors into excited customers who can't wait to get their hands on your product. That's what an optimized product page can do. Stores of using the baseline framework have seen conversion increases of 20 to 50% or more. That's the kind of change that can transform a struggling store into a thriving business. The baseline framework is your complete system for scaling your business to new heights. If you're serious about growth, it's time to stop guessing and start implementing proven strategies. Optimizing your website's user experience is key. Creating product pages that convert, using effective call to action buttons, and leveraging social proof to build trust. These are the building blocks of a store that can hit 10 million and beyond. Remember, every day you wait is a day of lost sales. Are you ready to transform your store? Join our community at skiology.com and grab our baseline cross-section app from the Shopify App Store. It's time to take your e-commerce game to the next level. Your future self will thank you for taking the action today. Watch this video to take the next step to a profitable e-commerce store.